Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the language to Tamil on an Xperia using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner of your screen. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Language. If you don't see the options on your Xperia app, simply go to On Settings, tap on General, and scroll down and tap on Language and Present. Once you are on your language section, tap on Add Language. Now you will see a list of all your languages. Scroll down and select Tamil. As soon as you tap Tamil, the phone will and the app will automatically change the language. You don't need to restart the app or restart your phone. Now all menus, options and categories will appear in Tamil. And that's it. You have successfully changed the MXPlay language to Tamil on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.